Hey, beautiful people, it is Monique Jones again with another video. I'm here today because you are probably looking for more information on the opportunity that I talk about daily, about how I am making $1,000 to $3,000 every single week online utilizing a system called the Power Lead system. If you have heard of them before, a lot of people definitely utilize their tools. But the difference with my team is we are utilizing Power Lead system in itself. So Power Lead system has their own system. So not only can you use this if you already have an existing system, so if you do already have an existing business and you are just looking for a way to create more leads, how to turn your business on autopilot, you can still listen to this video. You can go ahead and check out profitwithmo.com. Go ahead, get signed up, and it will show you step by step how to go ahead and get you tons, hundreds, thousands of leads every day, as well as how to put the system on autopilot. Now, if you are looking for a new program on your own here and you want to know how I'm making money, then keep watching as well. You can also sign up at profitwithmo.com. But Power Lead System does have its own system here where you can make money just promoting Power Lead System. And I'm just going to give you a quick little visual here of all of the countries that are allowed. Obviously, United States, but there are a bunch of international people hitting me up, confused, want to know if they are eligible to sign up. And if you are on this list, you are definitely eligible to make $1,000 to $3,000 a week. And if you want to pause this and go ahead and take a look and see if you're on there, then yay, keep watching. So yeah, the Power Lead system, it is an amazing done for you sales funnel that allows you to earn money on autopilot. And I can't stress this enough that that is the best way to make money. You are making money while you are asleep, while you are out busy with your family. Even some people are making thousands of dollars while they are at their daytime job. So this system is amazing. And I believe that with any system, there is, this crazy learning curve. Some people are making money and some people aren't, but that's not the case here. With Power Lead System and my particular group, which you'll be joining as the Freedom Takers, everyone is making money. Everyone is getting some type of amazing results, whether with their own business or with Power Lead System itself. So if you are interested in Power Lead System, we have different levels. And there is benefits to all the levels, but I suggest if you want all of the benefits, you need to get all in. So the first level is gold. That system is $30 a month, but if you would like to earn commissions or become an affiliate, that will make it $53.97 a month. And that is the only monthly system. Everything else is a one-time payment. The next level is diamond, and that is 147 one time. And that is going to allow you to get unlimited $100 payments to your account every single Wednesday. Mind you, we get paid every Wednesday. Okay, how's that for you? And then the next level is the platinum, and that is the juicy. Okay, and that system, you get unlimited $400 commissions every Wednesday. And that is a one-time payment of $497. All these systems, you can create a little payment plan for yourself, paying half here, half there. So if that's the issue, that is eliminated. And then if you don't have a list, they say the power is in the list. Don't worry, we got you covered. You are going to have a list by the start of this, okay? You are going to start earning money right off the bat. You're going to start getting people signing up under you right off the bat. All you have to do is plug into our system. We have share codes so that you can have the beautiful sales funnel pages that we have. You will have those exact pages just for joining with us. And we will have email series. So we will have it so that actually on autopilot, you are going to be emailing people when you're asleep. And I know that sounds crazy, but you are going to have emails set up to automatically contact people while you are asleep, making you money while you're asleep. You'll have the system selling and telling for you, videos. You'll have so many bonuses from joining my team. It's ridiculous. Literally, you will have everything done for you. I would say 80% autopilot. There's 20% you may want to, welcome your new team members, plug them into our Facebook group, because once they're in that group, they're going to see how much everyone is succeeding, and they're going to upgrade to those higher systems, and you're going to get those unlimited $100 and $400 payments. And then you're going to get the ones where you never even talk to them, and you're going to get those payments. So this system is done for you. It is amazing. It is passive income. We are making people quit their jobs here with this system. So if you are interested in more information, go ahead, join at profitwithmo.com, message me on Facebook, email me, whatever your favorite form of contact is. I am reachable all the time on Facebook. You can also check out my Instagram, Twitter, wherever you found me. Contact me. If you want proof, I got proof. If you want to hop in our groups to see other people, I will show you other people. There is nothing being hidden here. The system is so turnkey and easy. All it takes is consistency, and you got a good sponsor. Me, I'm amazing. I will help you get where I am. I will help you get to your wildest dreams. Okay, if your income is more than what I make, then I help you get there. And then you got the team behind you, and then you have a step-by-step proven system. You are guaranteed to succeed as long as you put in the effort. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and get signed up. Go ahead, contact me and let me know, hey, Monique, I joined. I'm ready to go, so I can plug you in so you can start earning money as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.